Hi guys, hope you're doing well. Welcome to another episode of Walking Tour from Philly channel. I'm Mehdi and today we're going visit North Sohrevardi Street in 7th Street of Tehran. A street with the name of famous Iranian philosopher because many educated people are living in this neighborhood. In the past, before first Pahlavi government, this neighborhood used to be Vanak ranchers' pasture, but after years, in first Pahlavi government, it turned into military zone and many commanders and generals used to live in this neighborhood. And after some years, this lands turned into public residential area in second Pahlavi government. After years, as you can see, this neighborhood developed a lot and it is turned into one of the most important office business area of Tehran because of the existence of telecommunication company and Ministry of Communication and Technology. And meanwhile, these companies and ministries cause some problems such as high house prices and high crowd that even the neighborhood citizens have car parking problems. Besides Sohrevardi neighborhood holds many office businesses, it holds many building and house decoration stores and markets such as cupboard, home appliances, wallpapers, curtains and other stores that you can find the last updated design of the world in these stores. Besides all these things, there are many luxury coffee shops, restaurants and hotels to use such as Navid, Alborz and Tehran restaurants, Venus and Sasan hotels that are the top ones. The starting prices for some home decoration stuffs are about $10 for Chinese wallpaper and $83 for 1 meter of MDF cupboard. The house prices in Sohrevardi are expensive because of its good airband and access to important streets and sides of Tehran, even with public transportations like BRT and subway. The house prices are about $236,000 for 2-bedroom, 110 meters house. Finally, I can say that this neighborhood is one of the top medium neighborhoods of Tehran. And if you like this kind of videos, I will be thankful if you hit the subscribe button and turn on the bell to be notified for more videos of Tehran and Iran sites. Comment me if you had any suggestion and don't forget to like the video.